Thank you. It is with great pride that we introduce our salutatorian, Mr. Jiva Kumaraj.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
My name is Jiva Kumaraj. I'm really honored to receive this salutatorian award. I have many goals and dreams, and this is kind of one of them, except I wanted to be valedictorian, but it's fun. I sincerely thank my mom and my dad. I love you both. The administrators, board of trustees, Mrs. Solstray, assistant principals, and of course our CEO and founder, Dr. Les Mullins, for their hard work and commitment toward the growth of Challenge Preparatory Charter School. Thank you all my fellow graduates and friends for an entertaining and fun year. And most of all, I would love to thank all the teachers, especially Mr. Mehta and Mr. McLean, for helping me throughout the year for an excellent education and profound friendship. If it weren't for my teachers, I would not be standing here right now. I'm so lucky to be in Challenge Prep because it really gets me. It brings a little bit of fun and a lot of education together, which I feel fortunate of. It has its own unique feature that really motivates me. I've really learned a lot of stuff from this year. One thing for sure is that there's no such thing as perfection, but working hard and being good enough is what counts. You may doubt your visions or other people's visions, but anything is possible. I've always wanted something to say that I would do this or that. Now I have the chance to achieve something that really means big to me. I really love this world-class education, which I kept with me for 6 years. I amazingly love Boy Scouts and deeply love how they added this wonderful program to our school. Thank you, Music Banks and Mr. Johnson, for making us shine in our assemblies and performances. I would also like to thank all the other extracurricular teachers for teaching me gym, art, and social skills, which helped me in my physical ability as well as my mental ability. I also really loved all our senior activities and events and class trips. I'm really proud to be a part of the graduating class of 2016. I would like to end with one of my favorite quotes. It takes courage to become happy, courage to remain true to one's convictions, courage not to be defeated by one's weaknesses and negativity, courage to take swift action to help those who are suffering. Let us be bold and choose peace. Thank you.